Hello, this is Rahul Nag, the lab of Gurgaon Health Center. The previous video, in the previous video, that what I said, one thing I missed to say you, and it was a big point in a way. That shows how bad work that the government peoples are doing in the hospital. In the hospital. The hospital is not bad, but the people's working like pretty bad. I say you. One incident while Poonam was having the saline. No, sorry, no, she was not having the saline at the time. We had the prescription from the doctor. The doctor said that she needs saline now, and then you have to take her to Dibrugarh. Then I just went to the to that room where she can have the saline, and the guy, and the doctor also said that to show the prescription to the guy who gives the saline. I went into the government into that government room in the government hospital and showed the prescription to the guy. The guy saw it and said me like that, and told me like, and his body language was like that. Like that way, his body language was something like that. She actually, his body language was something like that. He did not want to provide it. So what he did, he said me, all right, I'm going to write a thing, and then you have to bring it from outside. I said, what, I have to bring it from outside? It's in government hospital. In government hospital we have things for free, right? All right, I was just waited. Then he wrote something, and he given me that piece of paper to me to see it. I saw that piece of paper, and I asked him, what is that? Then he said me, it's a saline that you have to bring it from outside. I said, how much it cost? He said 100 rupees. I said, I don't have freaking 5 rupees in my wallet. How I'm going to bring it? You give me anyway. And now it doesn't work like that. I mean, government hospital, doctor said that the saline is going to the saline that we are going to have is for free, and everything, every single pill is free. So why I have to buy? He went a little nervous. I yelled, and he didn't say anything. He went to a secret room where the pills and all those things have. I mean, they put in a store. Like in a way, you can say it's a storeroom for the medicines. He went there, and I waited. And I just showing that I was just angry that what I was showing to them, my body language or something like that. And then he suddenly came. He said, all right, you don't have to bring, we got the saline. I said at that time, gotcha. He is nervous, he is scared that this time I'm going to really go crazy, and that's why he's scared. So that is the big example that how bad works goes on. I mean, I say you, government hospitals are not bad. They have the government hospital have the most nicest facilities in a way, you can say, but the way they are using it, I mean, it's pretty disgusting. They do not use it in a very nice way, and they mostly make it dirty, and the hospital remains dirty like that, and that's the way. I mean, mostly I can say one thing, they are not working nicely. What they do, they just have the money and stick it in the pocket. It is the first job that they do, that I can say openly, and that's what it is. So but I caught him, and then he given the saline to her, and it was all going okay. So that was it. Thank you.